Hey guys, welcome back. So it's time for an update here for the crypto forecast. I haven't been talking about the altcoins on YouTube for a long time. I have been doing only technical analysis on Bitcoin BTC because it was a dominant one. But I have been giving lots of warnings on the premium areas to exchange BTC into altcoins for the past week or week and a half. For the record, this is from the 7th of September. I think Ethereum is very, very extended down relative to Bitcoin. I'm talking about technical analysis, but also fundamentally, and market sentiment is so negative. So I already have a nice stack of Ethereum, but if I didn't, I'd be moving some, I'd be buying from here for sure and increase if it goes lower. And this was regarding the chart for Ethereum versus Bitcoin, which is down here. So it was at 0.016, and to tell you the truth, guys, to be honest, you didn't really have a technical analysis signal to enter here, to buy or to go long here. That, like, really on the daily chart, on the 1 day candles, there's really no signal to enter here. But looking like fundamentally and looking how extended it is, there was a target here from this triangle here from a long time ago. The target was made and actually overrun. So it was like, this is just very, very extended. So I have been giving warnings here to exchange Bitcoin for some altcoins. More specifically, I've been talking about Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Yes, and then I have this one here. I was thinking about the Bitcoin dominance above 70% is really, really extended and actually not very smart to be allocated majority in BTC, having into account that there's 2,651 other coins in the market, and 90% of them are worth between 0 and 15 million in market cap. I actually did the numbers. 50% of them are worth between 0 and 300,000. There's not much more room for shitcoins to go down, and Bitcoin dominance is very near the absolute top, which would be 100%. So unless you're one of those who think that all will go to zero, including Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, etc., then you would agree that this can't go on for much longer. I will rebalance my allocation probably in the next couple of days, and I will share here, of course. So this was from when? The 8th of September. Then I shared this chart here also. I think I said I've been pointing to this same thing recently, showing different charts. I think we are at depression phase for the altcoins. Altcoin market cap chart below, and this is the chart. I think this is the depression part of the market for the altcoins, similar to this one here. It's not exactly a double bottom, but it's gone down enough to be a depression part. And also because of market sentiment was so negative, too many Bitcoin maximalists coming out and being like overconfident, like a bounce was expected. And by the way, guys, I shared this one here. I shared also on Twitter. I didn't make a video for YouTube because the markets are boring in general, so I have to split my content between premium and free content. So I'm not gonna be I'm not gonna be giving away everything for free. I need to reserve some for premium members as well. So not much is happening. The little bit that is happening, I have to reserve it for premium members because they're paying a fee every month for this information. So, but with all in all, even though I didn't talk about this on YouTube, when it was time to exchange Bitcoin for altcoins, I did give a hint here on Twitter. So you could have seen this on Twitter if you follow me there. You can see here the 8th of September. I said, I just posted this for my premium members. I don't share my allocation with free viewers, but at least you know where I stand regarding Bitcoin dominance. By the way, I'm not saying the exact top for Bitcoin dominance is today. I'm saying it's extremely extended, and may not take long to roll over. And I shared this exact same thing that I shared for my premium members here. So I shared this on Twitter. Follow me there, because now and then I do share some hints, or I leak some premium posts. I leak them on Twitter or on the free Telegram channel as well. And I also did this poll, the 11th of September, time to exchange Bitcoin for altcoins. Agree, disagree, I don't know. So you see, I have been giving some hints here. So what do I expect moving forward? I think altcoins are going to be going up relative to the dollar. So this is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin. This is only for the altcoins. And I think we just had a bounce here. I'm on the weekly candles. I think we just had a bounce on the 200-week moving average, which is a very significant moving average. The 200-week moving average is where Bitcoin BTC always found the bottom in the previous cycle in 2015 and also in this cycle in 2018. The 200-week moving average was the bottom for BTC, so it was a very, very significant moving average. And in the case of the altcoins, they went down below it and actually closed down a few days below the 200-day moving average, but then quickly went above it. And now I think they are going to find support on the 200-week moving average. So I think this is the bottom for the altcoins. This is relative to the US dollar, not to BTC, but I think relative to the US dollar, I think this is the bottom for the altcoins, and from here we go up. However, I don't think we're gonna enter like parabolic season or parabolic move. I think it's going to start a new swing up from here, but slowly. I mean, this is the weekly candles, but if we go into smaller time frames, we had a very big bounce in the past couple of days, let's say, or maybe even in the past 24 hours. This is actually a big bounce that happened very fast. So from here moving forward, I think we're gonna go back to bottom. We're going to continue to uptrend. Like I said, I think this is the bottom. So I think from here we are uptrending. However, I don't think we're going vertical or parabolic. It's just gonna start a normal upswing, and yeah, this is the time to be buying at the 200-day moving average. We're still not far. I mean, even though we had a big bounce here in the past 24 hours, I think this is still a great entry. It might fluctuate here, but I think overall, if you're doing the long term, you can enter now and have your stop loss here below the 200-day moving, below the 200-week moving average. And I think that we are good from here. So, and when it comes to Bitcoin dominance and altcoins relative to Bitcoin, yes, I think there's a chance that altcoins will outperform Bitcoin from here for the next, few to several months. But I don't expect they to go parabolic. I don't expect Bitcoin dominance to break down to 50%. Like if it goes down, if Bitcoin goes down relative to altcoins, I think it's going to be like a slow and boring process. I don't see volume or signs that we are entering altcoin season. So in short, like in other words, I don't think it's moon or Lambo time for the altcoins. However, it's a good time to buy and continue to accumulate. I don't think we're entering parabolic, territory. But I think altcoins are in the depression part, so it's a good time to continue to accumulate. And Bitcoin as well. Like I said, I don't think Bitcoin BTC is going to go down to 50% dominance in the next 2 days. I think it's headed there, but it might take, some time to get there. So guys, that's my update for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.